Welcome to our channel. Today, we dive into a simple step-by-step process to verify your Shipt shopper account, so you can start earning with confidence. Welcome to our channel. Today, we dive into a simple step-by-step process to verify your Shipt shopper account, so you can start earning with confidence. First, visit the Shipt shopper app or the official Shipt shopper website and log into your account using your email and password. Once logged in, the verification process begins by confirming your identity. This step is crucial for security and trustworthiness. As a Shipt shopper, you will be asked to provide some basic personal information, including your full name, date of birth, and current address. Make sure the information matches your official documents to avoid delays. Next, you will need to upload clear images of your government-issued ID. This could be a driver's license or passport. Ensure the photos are well-lit, sharp, and show all corners of the ID to avoid rejection after submitting your ID. Wait for the system to process the information. This can take anywhere from a few hours up to a few days, depending on the volume of requests. During this time, avoid making multiple submissions, as it could slow your approval once your ID is accepted. You may also need to complete a background check. This involves consenting to a third-party service that scans for any major red flags related to criminal records or other issues that could impact your ability to shop safely in the community. If the background check clears, you're almost done. The last step is to review and accept the Shipt shopper agreement, which outlines your rights, responsibilities, and the code of conduct expected on the platform. Once all these steps are complete, your account status will update to verified, allowing you access to available shopping jobs. Congratulations! You are now officially ready to start shopping for Shipt customers effectively and confidently. Remember, keeping your profile updated and following Shipt's guidelines helps maintain your shopper status long-term. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel and like the video to get more helpful tips and walkthroughs like this.